Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In this video I'm gonna show you how to install and how to set up free VPN on your Oukitel K13 Pro device. So firstly, open your web browser and open 2ap.io website. Thanks to this website we can see how websites see our location. In my case it's Poland, Krakow, it's true. But now open Play Store, then find Turbo VPN application, or I don't know, VPN Hub application, free VPN application, then install it. Click open, click agree and continue, click on the cross on the left top corner, and cool. Here we can see the caret button. By clicking on this button we can connect to the nearest and the fastest server, but you can click on the globe and choose the country you want to connect to. For example, if you want to connect to United States, you can click United States and choose free server without crown of the icon. So you need to choose server here, or just click on the card on the home screen to connect to the fastest VPN server. So connect to the server, wait a while, click OK, and cool. Now just reload to ap.io website, and as you can see we are in Romania now. So it works. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.